How to check your mouse DPI on Windows. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your settings and open your mouse settings. Once your settings is open, head over to Bluetooth and devices, and from here go to mouse, and if you scroll down you can see additional mouse settings. Now you just have to go to pointers, and once you are here, if you are on Windows 10 it will be on the right side of your screen, so just click on additional mouse settings, and from here head over to pointer options. And here you can see the enhanced pointer precision. You want to turn it off first. Click on apply and OK. Now what you have to do is open your web browser and then search for DPI analyzer. There are many options that you can check from. I'm just going to use this first link, and if you scroll down you will be on this DPI analyzer tab, and here you can check your units. So I'm just going to enter on inches, and target distance I'm going to put in 2 inches. You just have to scroll this till the end of the slider, and here you will see your approximate DPI right here. So that's how you can check your DPI of your mouse on Windows. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.